Hello, in this video I'll show you the new conditional field features in BookingPress, explained with examples. Go to the BookingPress Custom Fields page. This is the BookingPress Custom Fields page where you can see the booking form fields and also add new ones. Now let's take a look at the form fields and see how to apply conditional logic to them. The first field is full name. This field is hidden. The first name, last name, email, and phone number fields are always visible on the booking form. Now, let's look at the first conditional field. This field is set to display only for selected services. This field will appear only when these specific services are selected. If another service is selected, the field will not be shown. Now, go to the front-end booking page. This is the booking page. Select the Hatha Yoga service and proceed to the next step. You can see the experience level field is displayed. Now, change the service. This time, the experience level field is not shown because this service is not selected. Now go to backend and look at another condition example. This field will always be visible and will be used to conditionally show or hide other fields. This field is displayed based on the selected value. If the customer selects yes, the field will be shown. Otherwise, it will be hidden. Now go to the front end, select yes in the radio button. You can see the text area is displayed. Now select no and the text area will be hidden. Now let's look at another conditional example. The instructor preference note field is shown only for a specific staff member. This field will appear only when the selected staff member is chosen, otherwise it will not be shown. Go to the front end and select a staff member. Select the specific staff member for which the condition is applied. You can see the instructor preference note field is displayed. Now, select a different staff member. Now the instructor preference note field is no longer visible. That's it. These are the BookingPress conditional field features.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.